How to use GPT-4 to transform a video. While GPT-4 doesn't directly have video editing capabilities, here's how you can potentially leverage its language processing abilities for video transformation. 1. Generating scripts and storyboards. Craft compelling narratives. Use GPT-4 to generate creative storylines, detailed scripts, or character dialogues for your videos. Plan visually striking scenes. Prompt GPT-4 to create vivid descriptions of scenes, camera angles, and transitions for your storyboard. 2. Describing desired edits. Provide precise instructions. Use clear and concise language to describe the specific edits you want GPT-4 to assist with, such as cutting or rearranging clips, adding text overlays or captions, changing the visual style or tone, generating visual elements to match descriptions. 3. Integrating with video editing tools. Partner with compatible software. Explore video editing software that can accept text-based instructions or scripts generated by GPT-4. Explore custom integrations. If you have programming experience, you could potentially create custom tools to bridge GPT-4's language processing with video editing software. 4. Generating audio elements. Create voiceovers and sound effects. GPT-4 can generate realistic human voices and diverse sound effects to enhance your videos. Add narration or character voices. Use GPT-4 to create engaging narration tracks or dialogues for your characters. Design soundscapes and musical elements. Experiment with generating ambient sounds, background music, or sound effects to match your video's mood. 5. Optimizing for different platforms. Tailor content for specific platforms. GPT-4 can help you create videos that are optimized for different platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, considering their unique formats and audience preferences. Key considerations and limitations. Indirect video manipulation. GPT-4 doesn't directly manipulate video files itself. It relies on external tools or human intervention to execute the actual edits. Development stage. Integration with video editing software is still nascent. It may require technical expertise or custom solutions. Language-based nature. GPT-4 excels at language processing, so the quality of video transformations depends heavily on the clarity and accuracy of your instructions. As GPT-4 and video editing tools evolve, we can anticipate more seamless integration and creative possibilities for using language models to transform videos in innovative ways.